My next guest wants changes to the Ryan Care legislation because it continues Medicaid expansion and a host of other issues that Congressman Jim Jordan, a member of the Freedom Caucus and one of the leading congressmen on Capitol Hill. Great to have you with us.
Good to be with you.
No progress tonight, huh?
No, I mean, look, the Speaker's bill, first of all, it doesn't repeal Obamacare. Even Krauthammer said it was Obamacare light. It doesn't bring down the cost of premiums, bring back affordable insurance. Even CBO said premiums are going to increase. And it doesn't unite Republicans. Every conservative organization in the country is opposed to this legislation. So, and finally, Phase 2 and Phase 3 are never going to happen. So when you have those four key factors, how can you support this legislation? What we're trying to do is change it in a fundamental way to get our support. But right now, we can't be for this legislation in its current form. Yet
Speaker Ryan says we've got it right where we want it, even as conservatives in the Senate are saying it's not what they want. You and your fellow conservatives saying the same thing in the House.
Every conservative organization, major conservative organization in the country is opposed to it. Every conservative health care policy expert I know has problems with the bill. 5 conservative senators are against it, and a whole bunch of conservatives in the House are against it, and we're supposed to take it or leave it? That's not how the process works. So let's change this legislation. Let's do what we told the American people we're going to do. Let's do something consistent with what we campaigned on, and then we'll be able to vote for something, but not this bill.
And the next step, the test Thursday, you think, Tom Price, let me ask you, as a congressman, well respected on health care, as HHS secretary, he appears to be caught on Ryan Care, if you will, rather than the bill that you want and other conservatives want.
Look, we have a real simple solution, Lou. Why don't we just do what we did before? Why don't we repeal it with the legislation that we put on President Obama's desk 15 months ago? And then we also have a replacement bill that if you can get 60 votes, then we have a replacement bill that'll get us 60. If we're going to get 60 votes, let's get it with our replacement bill. That's what we told the American people we were going to do. That's what they demanded in the 2010 election, the 2014 election, and of course last November. So 3 elections about this issue. Repeal it, replace it. That's what our legislation, 2 pieces of legislation would accomplish. That's the simple and direct plan, and that's the plan that's consistent with what the American people sent us here to accomplish. Let's do that.